He got a cute little bunny in the yard. Cute. He's just down here eating away. This we call Mr. and Missy Bunny. Is that like not adorable? Sorry I haven't been around much. My YouTube fellows and gals. We had a family death earlier in the year, and just one thing after another has been approaching. So I took some time away from social media to catch up on some stuff. I still got some things to do, but I miss everybody. And here is a bunny rabbit. I'm enjoying my day outside with my dog, who is right here beside me, up close and personal. That's Roni. And I don't know if she wants to eat Mr. Bunny or smell Mr. Bunny. But we usually have like 3 or 4 of them in our yard. We just call Mr. and Missy Bunny, and we tell her to be nice. Look how cute. You can hear the birds. Just enjoying a nature day. I hope everybody in YouTube land as well. And with that, whatever time zone you're in, I hope you're having a great one. Oh, he took off. Where'd he go? There he is. He's taking off. He says, I hear her. So with that, I hope you enjoyed Mr. Bunny. And I will see you soon. Bye. Mwah.